In this video I'll just briefly demonstrate how to mount the 45 amp Anderson Powerpole connectors. Now I showed in a previous video how to go about it using the 45 amp ones, but it actually requires a different crimp tool and a bit more force to mount these, but otherwise the principles are the same. Now for this purpose I've got this battery, and let's just get started. First you're going to need to strip the wire like so, and I just had a bit here we need to take off like so. Okay, then we install the actual metal piece here. For this we need this very powerful hydraulic tool. I don't remember the exact amount of pressure this can provide, but it's significant, more than any regular guy can deliver at least. So first we'll fix it here like so, just so that it's fixed here. Then I'll insert the metal piece here. I hope you can see this, but it requires a bit. Let me see if I have to twist these to make it fit like this, and then I'll insert it. Like so, and then start crimping. And it does require quite a bit of force here, so just remove this. And just really push as much as you can. Like so. Okay, now I'll release it. And you can see the there's a bit of wire sticking out here. Let's just remove those two. Nothing too significant. Okay. Now you can see this has been pushed all the way together. A very strong joint. You won't have any issues with that for sure. And like we did with the 45 amp Powerpole connectors, you just shove it in here like so. And you'll hear a clicking sound once it's fixed in here, like so. And that's basically it. It'll be perfectly fit in here. It won't go anywhere for sure. That was one. Let's go for the other. First, let's strip this off. Definitely don't want to do that at the same time, so always leave this on for security reasons. Okay, cut off the old connector here, like so. Alright, then strip off the wire, like so. Just twist it again like we did with the other one to make sure that it fits. Alright, I'll set this to on again, give it a few pumps here, insert the new connector. Okay, Then we insert the wire, like so. And it's a fairly, oh, we didn't get all of the threads in there. Let me just try that again. Okay, good to go, I think. So these wires are very thick, and they have to be, because these are going to be in a 14S 2P setup. And they're going to provide a lot of power, so this needs to be a perfect connection. Okay, now all the force you can get, like this. As you can see, you do need a hydraulic tool for this. No regular person will be able to provide the forces needed to do this here, as you can see. Okay, and same as before, take out the housing here. Again, this is pointing downwards now, same as this little bit here. Just press it in here and you'll hear a click, like so. So now we have a perfect connection. Now, same as with the 45 amp model, you can do stacking of these, and you can even insert a little pin here that comes with the connectors. That will fix them here so they won't be torn apart. So that's it. It's very easy. It takes only a matter of a few minutes to add these, and yeah, that's it.